This is Higgsfield.ai. You can do a lot of things on this platform. Create images, videos, everything. But this video is about Cinema Studio 2.0. And this is the new feature of the platform. You can control facial expressions, scale them to happy, disgusted, or anything you want, and change them easily. You can also control the speed, like adding any speed ramp you want. Suppose you want to change the speed of your footage. You can do it right here. Everything is possible. You can also create any scene, and you can turn it into a 3D environment so you can change the camera angle from any direction you want. There's a lot more to see on their blog page. It's really amazing stuff they provide this year. So like here, as you can see, this is the amazing part. You can switch to horror genre, change horror characters, control emotions, control the camera, everything you can do here. This is really insane. And you can check out everything. Like I told you, you can control the expressions. This is really good, amazing. It's going to change things to the next level. This is truly amazing.
I will tell you everything about the Cinema Studio 2.0 feature. Don't skip the video. So first, go to Higgsfield.ai. You can find Cinema Studio 2.0 in the image section, video section, or just click it directly. Super easy. Inside, switch between image or video mode. Upload your first character image, type your prompt, set the grid like 3x3 here. You can even make it in ChatGPT if you want. Add your scene prompt. It creates the full storyboard grid automatically. And hit generate. No need to do one shot at a time. You get the whole scene laid out and it goes up to 4K. Look at this. Quality is crazy good. This gives you a clear idea of your entire story fast. Want better detail? Pick any image in the grid, click the upscale button. One click and check this out. Skin, clothes, everything looks so sharp now. Love it. This tool is amazing. You can create and fix stuff so easily.
Now we will create the male character. Copy this male character prompt from ChatGPT, go to Higgsfield, upload your male character image, and paste the male character prompt here. This is really the amazing feature, the camera controller. And as you can see, the camera options are there. Lots of camera controls. You can change between different camera lenses, focal length, aperture, everything. Click on Generate. You will see the amazing result for your storyboard. You will see how amazing this is looking. Everything is really good. Now let's create both couple characters.
So if you want to add your character, you can click on this Add button and here you will see the dashboard. Click on Create a new character, upload multiple images of your character, and here you can name it. So I would like to name it Aries, enter your description and click on Create. And here our character is ready. You can create a lot of characters, maybe 4 unique characters you can add here. And to use your character, just type @ and select your character, then you can type any prompt you want. You don't need to add images every time. Just select your character, click on this, paste your prompt, and I would like to make this image 1:1, image quality 1K, and hit generate. So this is what you do. So as you can see, this is the same character that I created. So everything is really amazing. So now if you want, you can just go here, and if you click on what's next, then you will see it gives you something new for this scene. Like here, as you can see, this created more new scenes using this last image as reference. And here, this is really an amazing storyboard it provided me. And I can use anything I want. Just basically, we have to upscale it. So I like everything here. So this is good. Everything is looking amazing. And you can use that particular image to create more new shots for this. So this is really amazing. What a new feature of this Higgsfield. So I like it. Also, you can create the 3D scenes. So click on this Create 3D icon. So it will create the 3D version of this image. So this is really also an amazing feature. So like as you can see, my 3D image 3D environment is created. So you can adjust as per requirement whatever you want. So here you can just see the tutorial to the right side. So this is the entire scene. And this is really amazing. So you can change the camera angle whatever you want, like 200 mm, 20 mm, and like you can see, this created environment 3D environment for this. And like I want to make this close-up scene, so click on this submit and it will give you the 3D scene. As you can see, this texturing and everything is looking really good. So everything good now. So now toggle this into the video section. If you want to add a character, just click on this and add character props. We will use this Aries character. We can change the character expressions, so simply click on this smile icon and here you will see lots of expressions. Anger, joy, trust, whatever you want to change in the character expression in real time.
Really amazing feature. You don't need to upload multiple images to create different facial expressions, just change the character expression from here. So like I want to make this Joy. And so this is Joy. Type your prompt. This is dancing in black environment. Also you can adjust the duration up to 12 seconds. So I would like to make this 5 seconds. And you can adjust the speed ramp. Like I would like to keep this as it is. Here the multi-shots auto, so it will create the multi-shots automatically for this. So here general settings, you can use anything you want, like horror, suspense, action, whatever to feel good. So this is also a good feature of this. Now click on generate and see what it gives us. As you can see, this created multiple scenes of the woman. She is dancing. And this looks a little AI video, but overall the feature is good. You need to do some experimenting. Now let's change the expression of her like anger. So type the prompt camera zoom on her face and looking she's angry and click on generate. And you will see this camera and this is the render. And this expression is looking really good. This was the overall feature of this Cinema Studio 2.0. Amazing feature. Love it.
Basically, I would like to select our characters. Go to the Add Characters section. On this, you can upload your image. So I will use this Aries character and click on Use Element. Now I will use multiple shot manual. So I would like manual shots for 8 scenes, or you can add more scenes. Click on this plus icon and add more scenes. So it will create around 12 seconds of video, and now you can adjust the duration like this and add more scenes. And you can move the scenes between these like this. These are all of the scenes. And you can adjust the speed ramp in each scene. So like I want to make this first scene action or suspense, whatever you want. So you can do many things with this scene. So like I would like to make this first scene 2 seconds. And type here the prompt, woman walking and camera zoom on her face. So let's add this camera zoom in. And this is good. Now go to scene 2 and let's make this general one. Also let's change the camera. Let's add the prompt. So like type at and select the character and type your prompt here. So I would like to change the expression of her. So let's make this trust. I think this is fine. And type this prompt, she is sitting on the bike and looking. I would like to increase the duration of the video, so let's make it 2 seconds. She is sitting on the bike and let's select the third scene and character, and this time I would like to make this action scene. Also camera, let's make this static. Make this zoom out camera, this is looking good. And speed ramp, let's make this auto. So let's see what it gives us. And she is riding bike, behind her explosion effect. So this third scene also ready. Let's add the fourth scene and here select the character again. So select character and camera movement. This time let's make this static and you can change the expression. Let's make the expression angry, anger. And she is looking angry, zoom in on her face, riding bike and keep the action scene. So this is the entire. Let's change speed ramp of this second scene. So make this and see what it gives us. And first everything I think is fine and set ready to go. And also you can set the start and end scene whatever you want. And click on generate. And I'm very excited to see the final result. And as you can see, this is really insane guys. Amazing result. And this created the entire film. You don't need any editing software to create multiple cuts in the video. It will create the entire thing. A 12-second video. So this is overall the next level film production tool. And I'm impressed with this Cinema Studio 2.0. So if you like the entire thing, you can check out Higgsfield.ai and create new things on this. So guys, meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.